Guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these two questions to answer on the topic description property of fields. So guys, this video will be about concept of fields. So in short to state here at the end of this video, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following phenomena causes capillarity of liquids in tubes of narrow bore? We have options: A, surface tension, B, osmosis, C, viscosity, D, Brownian motion. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's surface tension. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following statements about force field is correct? We have A, field lines are real, but their corresponding fields are imaginary. B, electrostatic, gravitational, and magnetic forces are always attractive. C, field lines and their corresponding fields are both real. D, electric, gravitational, and magnetic fields obey inverse square laws. So guys, that's it for this question, option D. Electric, gravitational, and magnetic fields obey inverse square laws, and that's the answer to this question here. That's option D. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.